Welcome at the introduction of our latest equipment, tactical cylinder. Hello everybody, I am glad that we can bring the new video to you, and I hope all of you doing great. Today I am proud to present our latest equipment called tactical cylinder. Why tactical? We decided that we will somehow mark our equipment with this word if it has more than 3 uses. This is just a cover which we found fits perfectly the stuff inside. You can tie these 2 strings like this and it's nicely closed. Also we add little button compass on one of the strings. Now let me show you what's inside this cover. So this is the actual cylinder, and the complete package includes 4 stakes, also the cooker, another smaller cooker or pot if you want, and inside this cooker you can fit the rest of screws and other accessories, which I will show you just in a minute. And in this pot or cooker we have the canned heat. It's very useful in the situation when you cannot start fire or it's really wet outside and it's impossible to start fire and you need to either cook something or get warmed up somehow. And inside this small pouch we put all screws and also the fire steel. Here are some small carabiners, also 8 screws and 4 S-shaped hooks. The tactical cylinder is meant for personal cooking. That means 1 or maximum 2 people. Also for heating purpose, you can use it as a gathering tool, container. Also it has built-in shavings maker. You can carry fire in it. You can also put let's say hot rocks inside the cylinder and use it as a portable heat source. The can certainly has its limitations. It will work probably for 2 or 2.5 hours maximum. In this cylinder you can build a real fire anyhow you want. So it's multi-purpose device and multi-fire device as well. And now I would like to show you some of many possibilities how this can be set up. These stakes has the purpose as the stand for the cylinder. There are marks on the cylinder and you can put the stake inside the holes. Just like that. So 4 stakes. This will stay on its own. Certainly these are possibly extendable. You can add a piece of wood and make this long as you need, so it can stay in the water, it can stay in the sand, snow. And now the fire part. First, if you will use the portable fire can, you can put it underneath the cylinder just like this. The way you can set up the can doesn't matter, it depends on your situation. How we design originally, the placement of the can is on 4 screws. Let me show you. You will put 4 screws basically in similar order as the big stand screws, just like this. As you can see from the top view, they made some kind of stand, and you can take the can and put it so it's resting on the screws. And now you can use the rest of screws and put them basically the same way as those for the can, but these will support the cooker. It depends on how high you want to keep the cooker from the heating can. And now you can just put the cooker on top of the screws with whatever is inside: soup, water, snow. And here is the other option to place the cooker inside the cylinder. You can just take these screws out. As you can see, it's very quick to change the setup, and you can put the can underneath. So now I will put these 4 screws back to adjust the height where I want the cooker to be. Just like that. You're probably asking why do we have here these S-shaped hooks or the S-beaners. Certainly, as you can imagine, this whole thing with these screws or without can be simply hang like this. On a paracord or on a branch, anywhere basically. This is just one option, it's multi-optional. Also the same thing with S-beaners. You can just put it there, just like that. They're not gonna melt, they're not gonna do anything because they are from stainless steel. So you can hang it whenever you want. And the other possible way how to set the cylinder is perhaps between 2 branches if you need. Simply put screws like this, so they are forming some kind of support, so you can put branches like this, so it will sit on top of it, and you can still use your cooker inside or the can with support of these screws. So this was a quick demonstration of some basic options and uses of our latest equipment, tactical cylinder. We will certainly try to show you more options in the real situation. Basically 1 week from now we plan our another overnight trip, and I will take this cylinder with me for sure. I hope you like our latest equipment. Certainly we didn't make any parts of it. We don't own any stainless steel factory, so these parts were bought from local stores, but that's also the purpose of our philosophy, that in the case something really bad happen, you're not gonna have time or possibility to make something and spend weeks with that. We always trying to work with things which you might be able to find and put together with other parts which might help you to survive some situations, or will help you to live better in emergency situation. So one more time, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a week. Take care.